55, 55 और 95 हर उम्र के लिए यकसा मुफीद, मफाद आम्मा का आलम बरदार। जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें और बेल आइकन प्रेस करना न भूलें। रब्बानी द स्कॉलर यूट्यूब चैनल।
सुहैल अंजुम अब्दुल हमीद। सुहैल अंजुम अब्दुल हमीद। I swear to fulfill to the best of my ability and judgment this covered I will respect the hard-won scientific gains of those physicians in whose steps I walk, and gladly share such knowledge as is mine with those who are to follow. I will apply for the benefit of the sick all measures that are required, avoiding those twin traps of over-treatment and therapeutic nihilism. I will remember that there is an art to medicine as well as science, and that warmth, sympathy and understanding may outweigh the surgeon's knife or the chemist's drug. I will not be ashamed to say I know not, nor will I fail to call in my colleagues when the skills of another are needed for a patient's recovery. I will respect the privacy of my patients, for their problems are not disclosed to me, that the world may know, most especially must I treat with care in matters of life and death. If it is given to me to save a life, all thanks. but it may also be within my power to take a life. This awesome responsibility must be faced with great humbleness and awareness of my own frailty. Above all, I must not play at God. I will remember that I do not treat a fever chart, a cancerous growth, but a sick human being whose illness may affect the person's family and economic stability. My responsibility includes these related problems. If I am to care adequately for the sick, I will prevent disease whenever I can. For prevention is preferable to cure. I will remember that I remain a member of a society with special obligations to all my fellow human beings, those sound of mind and body, as well as the infirm. If I do not violate this oath, may I enjoy life and art, respected while I live, and remembered with affection thereafter. May I always act so as to preserve the finest tradition of my calling, and may I long the experience of joy of healing those who seek my help. Thank you.
Congratulations, you all are now officially doctors.
SUHAIL Anjum Abdul Hamid. Dr. SUHAIL Anjum Abdul Hamid.
55, 55 और 95 हर उम्र के लिए यकसा मुफीद मफाद आम्मा का आलम बरदार। जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें और बेल आइकन प्रेस करना न भूलें। रब्बानी द स्कॉलर यूट्यूब चैनल।
रब्बानी द स्कॉलर यूट्यूब चैनल इल्मी, अदबी, दीनी, मिल्ली, समाजी, सकाफती, तहजीबी, फलाही, तिब्बी, फन्नी, माशी, तिजारती, माशरती, इंतजामी, इनकलाबी, तहरीकी, तहकीकी, तकनीकी, तफ्तीशी, तामीरी, तालीमी व मालूमाती यूट्यूब चैनल जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें और बेल आइकन प्रेस करें। रब्बानी द स्कॉलर यूट्यूब चैनल।